Hello everyone, welcome to another PlayStation tutorial. Now in this PlayStation tutorial, or specifically PlayStation 4 tutorial, I will show you how to pause a download and also how to increase PlayStation 4 download speed so that you can download your games very fast. Now, first of all, as you can see, in order to pause your download on PlayStation 4, it's very simple. You boot up your PlayStation 4 or head to your PlayStation menu if your console is already on by clicking the PlayStation button from there. Push up on the left thumbstick or pressing up on the D-pad and press the X button on notifications. You'll see several notifications, so you'll need to click on the one that says downloads right here. From here, as you can see, downloads will always be on top in notifications, just so you know. From here, select the downloads that you wish to pause, and as you can see, you click on them and you just pause, or you can simply cancel and delete if you want to delete them. However, I would not recommend if you want to download this game. Once you click pause, that's pretty much it. You pause a download on PlayStation 4. Now, how can you increase a PlayStation 4 download speed? Well, in order to increase your PlayStation download speed, you need to download one thing at a time. You don't need to play any online games during downloads. Make sure your game can be paused and resumed. So if you pause the game, you can resume it again to see if that will pick up the speed, or you can install the latest version of PlayStation 4 system software. Now, you can also download in rest mode. Rest mode is usually a best mode when it comes to like downloading. It's much faster. So if you want to turn it on, you just go to your settings, and from your settings, you want to go to power save settings, and here you have set features available in rest mode. And here you will be able to stay connected to the internet. So just make sure that you check the box next to stay connected to the internet so your console can continue downloading while at rest. And that's pretty much it. I mean, the best bet would be using a 4G. So if you have a 4G connected to your PlayStation, that would be probably the best bet if you want to go and increase the PlayStation 4 download speed. Obviously, you can optimize the download speed and internet speed by downloading when no one else is using the internet overnight. That's what I would always recommend. Or you can get around Wi-Fi issues if you have any. But that's pretty much how you can go and pause a download and increase PlayStation 4 download speed. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we will see you in the next video.